Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to place a buy limit order using your KC Exchange app, right? But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on that notification button so you get notified each time we post an important video like this. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Here is your KC Exchange app, right? And you want to place a buy limit order using future derivatives trade signals, right? So right now you click on these futures right here. And if you're watching this video, you don't have an account with KC Exchange app, there will be a link in the description below where you can click and create your account and also get a discount for doing that. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel where the signal has been dropped. Right here is our Telegram channel and this is the signal that has been dropped. Direction long, which means buy. Crypto pair 1000 per USDT. So let's go back to our KC Exchange app and search for our crypto pair. Right here, if you want to search for your crypto pair, you tap right here. You tap on this search bar right here. Then you put in the crypto pair you're searching for. So right here is our crypto pair you're searching for. You click on it. Once you click on it, this is how it's going to pop up, right? Now we are going to our Telegram channel to set our leverage and margin, right? So right here on our Telegram channel, leverage 1x to 3x leverage. Be a responsible trader by risking less than 1% of your capital. Right now, let's go back to our KC Exchange app and set our leverage. On our KC Exchange app, if you want to set your margin, you click on this isolated right here. If it's on cross before, you change it to isolated because isolated is the recommended margin for new beginners traders. Alright, always risk what you're comfortable losing. Right on our leverage right here, you click on it. If it's on 100x leverage, you bring it down to 3x leverage because that is the recommended leverage for new beginners traders, right? So I'm just going to confirm, right? You just click on confirm. Once you've inputted in your leverage, you click on confirm, right? So right now let's set our entry price zone. Entry 1 risky, entry 2 moderate, entry 3 safer. For the essence of this video, I'm going to be going with the entry 1, which is risky, right? But you can always go with whichever entry you're comfortable with. Then I'm going to input in the amount of the crypto pair I want to buy, right? So this is the amount I want to buy. Then our take profit, let's go back to our Telegram channel to set our take profit. Our take profit zone 1, take profit 1 safer, take profit 2 moderate, take profit 3 risky. For the essence of this video, I'm going to be going with the take profit 1, which is safer, but you can always go with whichever take profit you're comfortable with, right? Alright, if you're still watching this video, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on that notification button so you get notified each time we post an important video like this. And also, if you're watching this video and you don't have an account with KC Exchange app, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. There will also be a link in the description below to our free Telegram channel where we share free trade signals every single day, right? So right now let's set our stop loss. Go to our Telegram channel. Our stop loss, always remember to set your stop loss because that is your defensive zone, right? Be a good trader by always setting your stop loss and also risking what you are comfortable losing. Right here we've set our limit order, right? You've confirmed everything that is okay, so you just go ahead and click on this open long right here. You click on open long. Once you click on it, you confirm if everything is okay, then you click on confirm right here. Now you've successfully placed a trade right here. Now your order will be waiting till the market reach the order price you placed on this trade right here. Then your order will trigger just like this one, right? So this is how to place a buy trade on your KC Exchange app using future derivatives trade signals. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you get notified each time we post an important video like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.